Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of April 2025, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.00. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 28.63% since we first designated TQQQ as a buy candidate just 13 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.20% each day since its classification as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 25.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 69.52% to negative 25.2%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 5.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 48.58% to positive 22.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $36.30 and $86.26. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline Green Day on Thursday for TQQQ ETF after gaining nearly 0.3%. The TQQQ ETF price gained nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, rising from $70.38 to $70.58. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4% from a daily low of $68.93 to a daily high of $71.69. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by over 24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 639,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 80 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.620 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, and the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is approximately 24.75% or $23.21 below the 52-week high, and 56.64% or $92.21 below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $162.79. In recent trading sessions, TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, has garnered significant attention amid heightened market volatility. Since Liberation Day, there have been substantial moves in market directions, leading many investors to leverage exchange-traded funds like TQQQ to capitalize on both upward and downward trends. As of late April, TQQQ has shown strong performance, benefiting from the tech sector's resilience driven by major players known as the Magnificent Seven, including Microsoft and Nvidia. On April 12th, analysts highlighted that TQQQ is particularly attractive for long-term investors focused on artificial intelligence-driven technology, especially following reports of robust earnings from semiconductor companies like TSMC, indicating increasing spending related to AI. This positions TQQQ advantageously in a growing market, offering potential for price appreciation in the long term. Moreover, recent discussions around ETF flows suggest that as investor sentiment stabilizes, TQQQ could see consistent inflows, further supporting its price in the short term. However, it is essential to remember that TQQQ comes with inherent risks, including high volatility and the potential for rapid price reversals. This combination of factors illustrates that while TQQQ is poised for potential gains, investors should remain cognizant of the risks associated with leveraged exchange-traded funds. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The chart predominantly shows positive signals today. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels $64.53 and $54.05. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and since then it has risen by 81.44%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $61.13 and $59.81. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $61.13. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $59.81 and $59.11. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This exchange-traded fund is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund moved $2.76 between its high and low, which represents a fluctuation of 4%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.65%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $71.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $61.13. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $68.28, reflecting a decline of 3.26%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The relative strength index over the past 14 days stands at 87, further escalating this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of May, we expect TQQQ to open lower by 18 cents and start trading at $70.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.